Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Lada Niva Vagabond edition. This model is made out of metal and has opening doors and functional steering. In the front everything looks pretty good. On the side we have these wheels with the tires. Also we have the tire markings on this model. We have a sticker here, and also we have Vagabond on the door, and the doors are black, as you can see. In the back everything looks pretty good. We have the Niva 1600, the model. One feature I like very much about this model is the roof rack, which has some canisters and other boxes, and also the spare wheel. And also we have two lights which are masks, and also this roof rack comes off and comes separately in the box. And also we have a shovel on the side as well, which is quite nice. And you also can remove the shovel from its support. Let me put that back. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the model. It's a very interesting model in my opinion, and also I think it's interesting for the locals of Eastern European. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.